Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a course certificate on Canva. So what you want to do is to go to the Canva search bar and type the keyword course certificate and it will bring you a list of various course certificates you can design. This is beautiful. Certificate of completion. You can also create a blank certificate and from scratch, but why do that when you can easily change a few details in any of these certificates? So you can choose any one of choice, and let's say I want something, let's say I want something like this. All I have to do is click on it, then click on customize this template, and I will be able to edit every detail on this certificate to fit my purpose. And that is how to create a certificate for your course on Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and have a great one, guys.